Shine bright, mastering the phrase, polish your shoes. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're stepping into the world of practical English phrases, starting with a common yet intriguing one: polish your shoes. This isn't just about shoe care. It's a phrase rich in meaning and usage. Get ready to add some shine to your English skills. Polish your shoes literally means to clean and apply a shiny coating to your shoes. It's a routine part of grooming and presenting oneself neatly. But why is this simple task noteworthy? Let's delve into the details. 1. Choosing the polish, selecting the right polish for your shoe material. 2. Applying the polish, techniques for applying the polish evenly. 3. Buffing to a shine, using a brush or cloth to bring out the shine. In English, phrases often carry meanings beyond the literal. When someone says, "You should polish your shoes," they might not be referring to your footwear at all. Instead, they could be suggesting that you 1. Improve your appearance. Just like polished shoes enhance an outfit, improving your personal grooming or dressing can make a good impression. 2. Fine-tune your skills. Polishing shoes requires attention to detail. Similarly, refining a skill or working on a project meticulously can lead to better outcomes. The phrase can pop up in various settings, so it's important to understand the context. 1. Formal settings. In job interviews or formal events, having polished shoes is often seen as a sign of respect and preparedness. 2. Idiomatic expressions. Sometimes, polish your shoes can be part of a larger idiom or saying, emphasizing preparation and attention to detail. Let's put this phrase into practice. Try using polish your shoes in different scenarios. 1. Literal use. I polish my shoes every Sunday to prepare for the week ahead. 2. Metaphorical use. You've done the research. Now polish your shoes and ace that presentation. And that's the shine on polish your shoes. Remember, it's not just about footwear. It's about presenting your best self, literally and metaphorically. Keep practicing, and your English, just like your shoes, will shine bright. See you in the next video, language enthusiasts.